how to locate the Steam games that you have already downloaded and also already backed up. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can locate the Steam games that you have already downloaded and also already backed up. So let's get started. First step, open up your file explorer. After you open it up, head over to your PC, go to local disk. On your local disk, head over to program files 86. After you're here, go to Steam. After you're on your Steam, there you will see a lot of different options. There you will also be able to find your games. If you don't find it, it's completely alright as well. There you will see another folder called Steam Apps. Head over there. There, head over to Common. And under Common, you will be able to find all the games that you have installed. Now, what you want to do is copy this folder and paste it again. And after it pastes, you can check that there are all of the files that have been copied. Now what you want to do is delete the original file and rename the second file by removing the copy. Hit enter and you're good to go. And that's basically all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.